What's in the fridge? Let's see. Right back here. Hershey's creamy chocolate flavored milkshake. What does that say? Ultra pasteurized grade A. We're going to try this today. A little review on Hershey's there. Let's see if we can't set this bad boy like so. Guess I'm going to have to turn it around here. Alright, we got the Hershey's. We're going to try it out. I've had it before. It's delicious. I recommend this. This is the best chocolate milk I've ever had. So, give it a good little shake here. Maybe read some ingredients for you out there. Here's the nutritional facts here. Serving size 1 container, 355 milliliters. Calories in the whole thing, 330. So if you're on a diet or anything, this may be the only thing you could eat that day. Total fat, 7 grams. Saturated fat, 4.5. Trans fat, 0. Cholesterol, 30 milligrams. Sodium, 320. There's a crap load of salt in here. Which, I mean, there's salt in everything, I guess. So much. Total carbohydrates, 56 Gs. Dietary fiber, 2 Gs. Includes 35 grams added sugars. Protein, 13 grams. Ingredients: reduced fat, milk, sugar, cocoa, processed with alkali, cellulose gel, cellulose gum, carrageenan, disodium phosphate, and natural and artificial flavors, contains milk. Man, this sounds, reading these ingredients here, like reading something I'm about to fertilize the lawn with or something. Nothing makes sense. Oh well. We'll shake. I don't even know if it tells. Oh, it says shake well, so we make sure we shake well. Creamy chocolate, sealed for your protection. Sealed for my protection. Throw the cap off there. Open her up. Give her a little smell. Can't smell it, I don't know why. One do shake just to make sure. We'll taste. Oh yeah, this stuff is delicious, man. It's so good. Oh yeah, I recommend this stuff. I get this at the local Dollar Tree. It's $1.07 or 8 cents. I forget what the tax is, but for $1, it's decent. I mean, I can't do a size comparison. I ain't got nothing. Here's an apple size comparison. Maybe 3 apples high. That's what this is. And it's about an apple wide. So 3 apples high, 1 apple wide. Oh. Whoops. But yeah, alright, that was my review, I guess. I mean, it's not a very good one because I'm tasting it. I guess that's what a review is, and what I think about it. I might have another taste. It's just so good. This stuff is delicious. Yeah, get out there and try you some. Hershey's contains milk, ingredients, a bunch of stuff you can barely pronounce. But I mean, all that stuff you can barely pronounce is in everything we eat. Maybe that's why, I don't know. Maybe that's why we should eat healthier. But until then, I'm going to drink the crap out of these because these are delicious. Like, subscribe, share with your friends, and we'll see what's in the fridge next week. Thanks, guys.